In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable screen recording in Loom, whether you're working on a desktop, within a browser, or on a mobile device. Plus, we'll go over key permission steps, particularly for Mac OS users, to ensure everything functions smoothly. So, let's dive in and get you set up to record seamlessly across any platform. First, we start with installing Loom and launching the recorder. For those using a desktop, whether it's Windows or Mac OS, you'll need to download and install the Loom desktop application. It's a straightforward process. Head over to the Loom website, follow the download instructions, and once it's installed, simply open the application. If you're working from a browser, say Chrome or Edge, things are just as easy. What you'll need to do is install the Loom Chrome extension. After the installation, make sure you pin it to your browser toolbar for quick and easy access every time you need it. Once you have Loom launched, the next step is to select your recording mode. Here, Loom provides you with 3 versatile options. You can choose to record with screen and camera. This option lets you capture your screen along with your webcam. Perfect for when you want to present slides and communicate directly with your audience. If you'd rather focus only on your display, pick screen only. This choice is great when you have detailed tutorials or instructions on your screen and don't need to appear on camera. Finally, there's the camera-only option if you wish to simply talk to your viewers or make a video blog-style recording. On a desktop, regardless of the operating system, you'll have the flexibility to choose whether you want to capture your full screen, a specific window, or even a custom region of your screen. This flexibility allows you to tailor your recordings precisely to your needs. If you're using the Chrome extension, you can similarly choose to record your full screen, a particular window, or just the current tab you have open in your browser. Enabling screen recording on different platforms requires a few different steps, but Loom makes it intuitive and efficient, ensuring you have the right options whether you're working on a desktop or directly from your browser. So, get those settings in place, and you'll be ready to create professional and polished recordings in no time. And there you go. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to harness the full recording capabilities that Loom has to offer, making it easier than ever to communicate ideas, share tutorials, or connect with your audience in a clear and engaging manner. Thank you for watching, and happy recording with Loom.